In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI video in Renderforest using text-to-video story. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a polished video with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Renderforest website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the text-to-video story tool. This is the feature that converts written prompts into complete videos. If you don't see it immediately, check the video creation section or search for a text-to-video story within the site. When you're there, you're ready to start the creative part. In the prompt box, type your idea clearly and specifically. A good prompt explains what the video is about, the tone you want, and any key points you need included. For example, you might specify the target audience, whether you prefer an educational or promotional tone, and any call to action. The more precise you are, the better the AI can shape your content. If you have a preferred length or format, include that too, like short explainer, 30 seconds, or vertical for mobile. When your prompt looks good, hit next. Renderforest will guide you to choose the type of visuals that best fit your message. You'll see options like animated videos, realistic videos, AI images, and AI videos. Animated videos are great for explainers and tutorials. Realistic videos work well for professional or lifestyle content. AI images can create illustrative scenes if you want a more graphic style. AI videos aim for lifelike results generated by the model. Pick the option that matches your vision and audience. Make sure the language is set to auto-detect. This helps the system identify the language of your prompt and generate narration accordingly. If your prompt is in one language and you want the output in another, you can adjust later, but auto-detect is a reliable default. Next, confirm that the voice is set to AI choice. This lets the platform select a suitable voice for your content style. It's a simple way to get a natural-sounding narration without spending time comparing options. Now select your style. This controls the overall look and pacing of the video, from clean and minimal to bold and dynamic. Choose a style that supports your message and keeps your audience engaged. Finally, click on Generate. Renderforest will process your prompt, assemble visuals, and create the narration. Give it a moment to render. When it's done, play your video to review the result and enjoy seeing your idea come to life.